Yes, I'm Ruben, and today we have a new batch of Japanese snacks. I'm really excited to try them. Let's go. During my holidays while traveling, I found a new Japanese store. It's the most Japanese store I've ever seen here in Europe. In fact, all the workers were Japanese except one person. All the products were Japanese. The music in the background was also Japanese. And I was so excited, so I said, let me test and see if these people are Japanese. So I went up to work and I said, kore wa, Nihon. That's all I could say. I didn't remember anything else. And he looked at me and he didn't understand. So I said, Nihonjin desu ka? And he said, hi. And I said, okay. Eigo ga hamasemasu ka? And he said, yeah. I'm like, so it was super cool. And I tried to practice my Japanese a little bit. And the store owner, she was super friendly. Yeah, she was super friendly. So here are my snacks. And I also bought something else, but in fact, it's something quite traditional. However, I will not show you in this video. I'll save that for a future video. Okay, let's look at the snacks. Okay, first we have
菊一あられ
菊一あられ宇和島
itadakimasu. Okay. Oh, I don't like the smell. I don't like the smell. It's okay, it's not bad. It's not bad. The taste is just unusual. Yeah, so we'll leave that. Let's try this one. This looks like something sweet. Let's go for the chips. Let's try the chips.
ポテトチップス。普通はポテトチップス。ポテチとも言います。
Okay. Not the most exciting flavor or smell. What the hell is sweet and sour pickled plum? Pickled? I mean, I like pickles, but okay. Let's see. It has a tangy taste. It makes my jaw contract, if that makes sense. But I prefer this more than this by far. Okay. This, yeah, the tangy taste like lime is from the plum. Oh, super actually. Okay.
バカウケ。バカウケ。
Psycho! Oh, they're little bags. Upon initial biting it, this came to mind. But then it has this sweet taste too. Not a fan of the smell, but okay. I would eat this again, yeah. It's not bad. Maybe my facial expression said something else, but no, it was just absorb the flavor. And finally, we have
瀬戸内レモン餅と書いてあります。レモン餅かな。
瀬戸内レモン餅。
the lemon is so potent. I like the smell. I like the smell. I think this will be the best one yet. Okay. The texture is really soft. Oh wow. Wow. Ah. Mmm. 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 This is the best. I haven't been grading them, but this is a 10 out of 10 for me. I like it. Now we have some drinks.
宇和島みかん、みかんジュースとかオレンジジュースって呼ぶと思います。
Wow. I want to say one of the best orange juices I've had, but this is good orange juice. It reminds me a little bit of the orange juice back home. It's really good. I wonder. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. I feel so Japanese. Oh. Yeah, the taste isn't as bad now. I think because I've tried everything, my palates have become a little bit accustomed to the flavoring. Yeah, it's not bad. I actually like it now. Yeah, that's fun. Wow! Should have bought more of these. Then we have another drink, which is
ほろ酔いと書いてあります。カシスとオレンジ味ですね。
ほろ酔い、カシスとオレンジ。
oh, I made a mess there. I think this is maybe a soda type of orange juice. Oh, what the hell? Yeah, it's like soda, yeah. It smells delicious, of course. I like this. This is just a seasoning, so I can't eat this.
七味唐辛子。
七味唐辛子。
The Japanese snacks aren't that foreign in terms of flavor, because all the types of flavors I've tasted something similar before in my life in Jamaica, but they've just done things a different way. So these aren't bad. Honestly, it takes a while for my taste buds to get accustomed to the flavors. Because as you saw, after having tried more snacks, I went back to the first one and it tasted different, it tasted better. It's the same with French food here. Some things I don't like and didn't like, and the more I stay here, the longer I stay here, I get accustomed to them. So it's good. It's literally good. I like these snacks. There's not much to say. If you would like me to try some snacks from your country, or if you know of some store that I can go to get other types of snacks from different countries, let me know in the comments down below. So please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.